Welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us, and I hope you subscribe. Nice and secure. After doing some work on the fuel system, the car backfires and refuses to start. After doing some extensive research, I decided to readjust the timing on this car to see what happens. Our distributor cap is back on. I'm going to start it without the vacuum hose, and let's give it a shot. So we have a backfire. So what we're going to do is put it at exactly top dead center and then try it again. Okay, we're going to find top dead center on the compression stroke. Spark plug number 1 has been taken out, and we have this little piece of paper on top of an extension. So if the little piece of paper gets blown off, that means that air is coming up, and that's the compression stroke. So I'm using a 27-inch ratchet to rotate the engine clockwise. Once this piece of paper blows off, we have compression in this cylinder. Now, if you saw that, that's the compression stroke. Then I'll continue on until I get to top dead center. Okay, I'm at top dead center, and this is off. It's not pointing to 1. So we're going to pull this and readjust it. I'll use a long screwdriver just to gently pry it up and out of its socket. Just going to twist it just a little bit, reposition the head here, and then push it back in. I'm going to wiggle it back in. It's not going to be a straight drop in. You have to position this slightly above where it needs to be, and once we shimmer it in, it's going to just snap into place like this, like that. So now you can see that this is now pointing exactly at 1, which is that little notch on the top. And if we need to, we could adjust this back and forth. Go ahead and lock this down. So once I've located the perfect position, I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down using the lock nut. I'm going to replace the vacuum tube and start it up. The engine is running rough, but I'm going to have to do some more poking around and seeing what else I could improve. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I will see you in the next video.